Yeah, look, I stay on some boss shit. I was the underdog, I'm on my Rick Ross shit. I'm straight up running things, haters love to talk shit. So much paper right here, you think this the office. I'm being honest, don't take no losses. Boss shit, I be on some boss shit. I be on some boss shit. I be on some boss shit. I'm being honest, don't take no losses. Ay, 2021, I'm really filling up the coffins. Keep it framed with you, it ain't new, I do it often. Celebrating like tonight, tomorrow I'll be nauseous. No one picked the boy, but I'm still ballin' like Ben Wallace. Unforgiving mood I'm in, so homie, please be cautious. Something about the struggle made me immune to the soft shit. Writing by my flaws really made my life flawless. Writing by my loss really brought me into profits. Awesome, I'm fucking awesome, I really blossom. Your client want a feature from me, that's gonna cost him. They fucking with me from Chicago way down to Austin. This shit made my eyes red like the hair on Andy Dalton. Boss shit, I was the underdog, I'm on my Rick Ross shit. I'm straight up running things, haters love to talk shit. So much paper right here, you think this the office. I'm being honest, don't take no losses. Boss shit, I be on some boss shit. I be on some boss shit. I be on some boss shit. I'm being honest, don't take no losses.
Yeah, stressful season. Yeah, comeback season. Yeah, I'm still breathing. Yeah, try to count me out, but no, I'm getting even. Hey, I've been plotting. Yeah, I've been scheming. What? I've been getting real busy. Swerving lanes get dizzy. I don't know who be with me. Yeah, I be everywhere, but I rep my city. Most of y'all just mainly hate me cause your girl is drizzy. Going in like surgeon, know I always stay working. Yeah, I don't really like Tinder, I get women in person. Yeah, we just getting warmed up, I ain't closing the curtain. Yeah, you don't even put work in, I treat this like it's urgent. Yeah,
boss shit, I was the underdog, I'm on my Rick Ross shit. I'm straight up running things, haters love to talk shit. So much paper right here, you think this the office. I'm being honest, don't take no losses. Boss shit, I be on some boss shit. I be on some boss shit. I be on some boss shit. I'm being honest, don't take no losses.
They love with money, yeah, so I can't wipe no bitch. Always showing out, cause babe I know I'm lit. Haters knock them down, I won't take your shit, and gotta make it count. I know I'm dying rich. I've been faded from the dusk till dawn. I've been reeling at these all night long.
7:30, get up bright and early, that's the way I like it. Workaholic, a day I'm writing. They've been hating on me, but they never like me. They don't really understand me, I just do this for my family. I don't really got a plan B, I'm just trying to get a Grammy. I just wanna make them happy. Big business, you a little fish. I'm burnt out, but I'm still lit. Rottweiler, get a top dollar. I'm a shot caller, you a little bitch. Never changed, I'm still swish. Lost it all, but I'm still rich. I don't mind what they say. Ha, drop the tape, they gon' feel sick.
They love with money, yeah, so I can't wipe no bitch. Always showing out, cause babe I know I'm lit. Haters knock them down, I won't take your shit, and gotta make it count. I know I'm dying rich. I've been faded from the dusk till dawn. I've been reeling at these all night long.
Yeah, day and night got me faded. Put in work and I made it. All of these tracks I'm filling my plate with. Got me on track to be one of the greatest. Feel like I'm gone, I'm out of my mind. Don't tell me be patient, I got no time. I'm not your kind, I'm on fire. Move with caution across that line, yeah. I'm grinding every day and night, baby, cause it's all I know. Getting money, now that's all I want. Getting faded till the sun come out. Call my phone.
They love with money, yeah, so I can't wipe no bitch. Always showing out, cause babe I know I'm lit. Haters knock 'em down. I wanna take your shit and gotta make it count. I know I'm dying rich. I've been faded from the dust.